I just found this little baby bird on the... About to get hit. I almost hit him. Hello. I'm gonna try and save this thing. I don't know if we got hit or what. Hey buddy. You okay? You get hit, man. You are. Alright. He was literally about to get hit. This poor little guy or girl. Precious little thing. And I probably shouldn't have picked it up. And it was literally about to get hit crossing that road, and it can barely move, huh? Oh, yeah, you're a cutie. It's definitely a little thing. It's cute. Buddy. I'm gonna try and see if its nest is over there in the tree somewhere. All right, I'm gonna try and go let him go over there. Hopefully he survives. He was about to get hit. Just an update that I let that little baby bird go. He's all good.